Right now we're going to be going through the feature set of the Herschel Supply Pop Quiz backpack. The Pop Quiz was in our first ever season of bags, and again it sort of maintains that classic timeless style that Herschel's known for, but again we wanted to modernize it. We have that white waterproof zip on the front that gives you a really nice classic yet modern look. It's made out of the durable 600 denier polyester. The polyester is also coated on the other side to make it water resistant. As you turn the bag around, again, we wanted to have that really nice, clean, classic lines of the strap, although we wanted to have extra features such as air mesh straps here, so it's really nice, light, and breathable. It also gives you really nice cushioning if you're carrying a little bit heavier of a load. Internally on the top, we have this sort of hidden zipper right here that allows you to stow away your sunglasses, and it has a nice fleecy soft liner in there to make sure that you can even run them without a case inside. As we look for the external pockets of this bag, you're gonna have two large compartments here. So one that's gonna be accessed from this main zipper here. As we flip this down, you're also gonna have full organizer pockets. We have a pocket in the back that you can stow something like your passport, as well as you have Velcro closed pockets here, zipped pockets, as well as pen holder pockets there. We also have the key clip here, so if you're leaving your apartment, your house, or you're boarding a plane, you have a spot that you can securely fasten your key. So whether you've been on a trip for a week and you're coming back looking for your car keys, or you're scouring around your bag looking for keys for your apartment, you always know where they're at. As we look into some of the internal details of the Pop Quiz, we also have the padded up to 15-inch computer sleeve. So your computer is safely stowed on the back panel of the bag, and it holds up to a 15-inch computer. This computer we're using here today is a 13, so it gives you ample room for 13 or 15-inch computers. And again, that really nice soft fleece, so it's going to help protect everything, your devices and your technology, from scratching as it comes in and out of the bag. Internally, you'll also find a media pocket or just an extra stowage pocket on the side, so you can quickly and easily put in a phone, or if you wanted to keep something safe like your wallet and or pens or stationery, it's also a nice pocket for that. You do have an external port here as well, so if you did want to run an MP3 player in your phone inside your bag and have a headphone port exit right there, you do have that ability for it to come out there as well. So if you wanted to keep your phone or again your MP3 player safe inside your pocket. As you zip up the bag here as well, it has a nice storm flap that sort of hides your zipper, so if there is any rain or a drizzle coming down, it does help keep water away from the zipper. It again has that simplistic, timeless, classic styling, all from the exterior celebrating that classic design, so it has that really nice nostalgic look with that little hint of modern, as well as you're gonna have a nice reinforced base. So with all those feature sets, it makes the Pop Quiz a perfect bag whether you're going on a trip, you're heading to school, or you're heading to work. It gives you lots of ample features and a modern, classic design.
This is the Mystery Ranch Urban Assault 24, a 24-liter day pack built specifically for travel and everyday carry. Compared to the smaller Urban Assault 21-liter, we added external water bottle pockets, external access to the laptop sleeve, and a bunch more internal organization. Laptop sleeve is accessed through a weatherproof YKK urethane zipper. Internally, the laptop sleeve is fully padded with a tablet divider on the front. These packs are made from 500D Cordura using urethane coated zips on the main access bag as well as on the lid pocket. To get into the main bag, using our signature 3-zip allows great access to a lot of internal organization. Inside you'll find 2 zippered detail pockets on each side, as well as vertical long pockets up front for extra water bottles or hydration. There's also an additional inner tablet pocket, as well as one secured zippered pocket on the body panel for a passport. These packs are built with a fixed harness, built with aerospace mesh and densified urethane foam, offered in 4 colorways: ivy green, black, indigo blue, and shadow. And for scale, I'm 5'11". That's the Mystery Ranch Urban Assault 24-liter.
Hey everyone, it's Ron from Vertex. With me is Denny from Vertex, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about the brand new Gamut 2.0. Denny, why don't you tell us a little bit about the Gamut 2.0?
Sure thing. So this is one of our most popular packs. We continue to expand upon that popularity by some things we've heard in the field. One thing we've done is added some additional colorways this year, but also changed the fabrications within the colorways. As you'll see, this is a canvasy look, and also this is a more nylon synthetic look. One of the things we've known is so many people are running folders out of our bags and weapon systems that needed to be able to access it as opposed to running the back now. We've added a hot pull tab. I can quickly get into the bag, access the weapon system. As we look inside the bag, a couple things that we've done to modify the bag for improvements as well is we've changed the mesh, we've upgraded it, still a see-through mesh, but a little bit more durability. We've also added all US made Velcro, gives you better shear strength when using our Tactigami accessories inside. One of the things you'll notice too is our padded laptop sleeve has been upgraded. We now have it so it's adjustable depending on what you need. You can also use it to holster your weapon as well, or if you want to run it clean and slick, you can actually completely remove the laptop sleeve and run the bag completely slick.
Wow.
So a couple things else that we've done as we move around to the back of the bag. You notice the first thing is we've removed the mesh back panel, a little bit more air channel movement there so it doesn't retain the heat quite like the other one did. Also adds a little more durability for us as well. Many manufacturers make armor panels that go into our bags. Prior to this, we've been limited mostly to soft armor panels. Now you can actually put hard panels in there as well, making it even more versatile than it was before. So we've continued to keep the same luggage pass-through on the back panel, or if you need to use it as a shield or parrying knife situation, you can use that as well.
From what I understand, this still has the same popular front panel that can be folded down. You can take that and tuck it underneath so you can have all of this moly exposed if you wanted to. Same light interior, whether you have a light color bag on the outside or a dark color bag, it still has light interior so you can find everything that you need.
This is the new Gamut 2.0. We think we've improved it over something that was already extremely popular. We've listened to what you had to say, and we've built a better piece.
Thank you so much, Denny. We're excited about this Gamut 2.0.
Woo! It is storming out there. Let me get mic'd up, get this wet gear off, and we'll get into it. Here it is, the 20-liter UrbanX backpack. It also comes in a 30-liter. They both have padded laptop sleeves, both fully waterproof, both have the daisy chains, both awesome. The 20-liter is a perfect everyday carry backpack. Throw your laptop in there with lunch and a couple other things, you're good to go. The 30-liter is for people who like to carry more stuff. Of course, it's got the padded laptop sleeve, fully waterproof, just like the 20-liter. Just got more space for more stuff. Maybe you need a full change of clothes, some additional layers. Maybe you're going to the grocery store after work. This is a workhorse. Since these bags are pretty much the same, I'm going to focus on the 20-liter just to keep things simple. The UrbanX backpacks are 100% waterproof. We use a waterproof material, and then instead of stitching the material, which creates holes, we use knurled welding to fuse the material together. The knurled weld embosses the fabric at the same time as it welds it together. This is stronger than a traditional lap weld because there's actually more surface area getting welded together, and there's kind of like a physical interlock. Those super strong seams allow us to leave out the liner, making the UrbanX backpacks among the lightest waterproof backpacks out there. You'll notice there's no zippers on the UrbanX backpack. Get into the bag through a roll top. For waterproof bags, a roll top is the way to go. It keeps the water out and it makes the bag expandable. If the weather's nice, you can even have stuff sticking out. I've seen people carry plants or like a baguette, just all kinds of stuff. People even put their dogs in these things. At the top of the roll top is a set of handles. This makes it super convenient to go around the house packing your bag, collecting up everything you need for the day. There's a magnetic closure at the top, just to keep everything in place. When you're done packing, just seal the top, roll it down, and clip it to the side. The side straps allow you to keep everything nice and tight, no matter how full or not full the bag is. Let's turn this bad boy inside out so you can get a look at what's inside. So there you have it. This is what the inside of the UrbanX backpack looks like. Got a padded laptop sleeve, big enough for a 15-inch MacBook. Little sleeve here for your notebook. iPad kind of fits in there too. Place to clip your keys. Little spot here for your notebook or your phone. spot for your pen and your X-Acto knife. Laptop sleeve is about 14 inches deep and 9.5 inches wide. One of the first things you notice about the UrbanX backpacks is the daisy chains. At this point, they're iconic. It's a way you can carry your bike lock on the outside of your bag, and that way you don't have to get into your bag when you get to your destination to lock up your bike. So everything inside stays safe and dry while you lock up your bike and then head into your destination with all your dry stuff. The logo and the daisy chains are reflective, just like a little extra safety for you while you're out in the streets. The EVA back panel is super comfortable. You got padding just where you need it, and these channels allow for airflow so your back doesn't get super sweaty while you're out riding. We use our universal yoke system on this backpack. That means it's super adjustable. It'll fit just about anybody. It can expand to be really big or cinch down to be really tight on like a small body. The straps are super comfortable and breathable. It's got a fully adjustable and removable sternum strap. I swear by the sternum strap, but some people don't. That's why we made it easy to remove it or put it back according to your preference. Like all chrome bags, it's guaranteed for life. So if this thing starts leaking, just hit us up and we'll take care of it. Rain or shine, this is a great backpack. Here in Portland, it rains like 9 months out of the year, so a good waterproof backpack is crucial. When the rain really sets in, these things come out of the woodwork. I see UrbanX backpacks every single day on my commute. They're old colors, old styles, new styles. It's like a true testament to the quality of these UrbanX backpacks. If you need to keep your stuff dry, this is definitely gonna do it.
This is the all-new Everyday Backpack by Peak Design. A pack versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. Instant access from the top that's quiet, one-handed, and secure, and full access from each side. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protected and keeps things in place. There's a place for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to fit more? No problem. There's built-in expansion inside and outside, so you can always carry one more thing. Now in its second generation, the all-new Everyday Backpack is more ergonomic, more durable, more sustainable, and more aesthetically clean than ever before, with the same thoughtful details that make it our most popular bag. The Everyday Backpack, versatile everyday carry by Peak Design.